O sovereign Lord, I said, I can't speak for you. I'm too young. Lord, bata amang ko, Lord. In fact, if you don't know, kaninga time, most scholars believe na katong pagtawag kay Jeremiah, ang edad niya 17 to 20 years old. Ingana siya kabata. So nagrason na siya, Lord, huwag mo ko kahuman, Lord. Bata amang ko, Lord. So ano yung gihatag niya nga rason kay Lord? Verse 7, the Lord replied, don't say I'm too young, for you must go wherever I send you. Muadto ka dapat sa mga dapit nga akong paadtuon sa imuha. And say, isulti, whatever I tell you. And don't be afraid of the people, for I will be with you and will protect you. I, the Lord, have spoken. Then the Lord reached out and touched the mouth. Gigikap ni Lord ang baba ni Jeremiah and said, look, I have put my words in your mouth. And then one of the amazing prophets of the ancient Israel, Prophet Jeremiah. Now, he wrote the book of Jeremiah. He wrote the book of Lamentations. Igsuon, miskan dili pa man nimo makita ang umaabot. I want you to believe on this, na si Lord nagtawag sa imuha. Amen.